Plug lead wires into Alpha-Stim M and pin plugs into the smart probes. Either channel, 1 or 2, will work. Apply probe electrode pads, PEPs, to probes by placing clean probe tip into PEP in their green case. Case opens with label on bottom to prevent pads from falling out. Press power on. Set frequency to 0.5 Hz. Set timer to probe setting. Set current on channel in use to 600 microamps. Decrease immediately if uncomfortable. Saturate PEPs thoroughly with several drops of conducting solution. Repeat as necessary through treatment if probe pads become dry. Press smart probes on clean, dry skin. Timer cycle will start with 2 beeps when the skin is contacted and end with a single beep. Hold probes firmly against skin for the entire 10-second cycle before moving to the next treatment location. When the timer ends, 1 probe must be lifted up and placed back on the skin to restart the timer. 2 smart probes must always be used together to complete the electric circuit going through the area of pain. Imagine the current traveling in a line from one probe tip to the other probe tip. Please be sure to follow each step as they are all important to successful treatment and pain relief. To treat the neck and arms, including the fingers, hands, wrists, elbows, and shoulders, connect your 2 hands by placing 1 smart probe on 1 fingertip and the other smart probe in the same place on the corresponding fingertip of the other hand for 10 to 20 seconds. In other words, treat thumb tip to thumb tip on the other hand, index finger, and continue for all 5 fingers. The same strategy applied to the toes can be used to treat any problem in the legs, such as pain in the toes, feet, ankles, and knees, but not the hips. Hip pain requires local probe treatment. Repeat as necessary until your pain is completely gone or maximum relief is achieved.